The monthly salaries of RT, Babu and Krisho are in the ratio of 2:4:7. If Krisho's monthly salary is rupees 20,000 more than that of RT, find the annual salary of Babu. So we have RT, Babu and Krisho as 3 persons, and the ratio between their monthly salaries is given as 2:4:7. Now, in order to find out the exact salaries of these persons, we can use a common multiplication factor A. So what is going to be the exact salary of RT? 2 times A, which is 2A, and 4 times A for Babu, it's going to be 4A. 7 times A for Krisho, it's going to be 7. And also it's been mentioned that the salary difference between Krisho and RT is exactly equivalent to 20,000. Now this is the exact salaries of the 3 persons in terms of a common multiplication factor, and this is the salary difference between Krisho and RT. Now what is the difference in salaries between RT and Krisho in terms of ratios? From these two terms, it's very clear that the difference is 5A. So can we equate this with this difference, which is equivalent to 20,000? So what is going to be the common multiplication factor? A. Divide by 5 on both these sides. So A will be equivalent to 4,000. Right? Now what is the question? Find out the annual salary of Babu. Now let's first find out the monthly salary of Babu. The salary of Babu is 4A, which means 4 multiplied by 4,000. So Babu's monthly salary is rupees 16,000. Right? Now let's find out the annual salary of Babu, which is 16,000 multiplied by 12, and that should probably give us 1,92,000. So the annual salary of Babu is 1,92,000. The same question can also be done with less number of steps and by saving a lot of time. So let's try that way. The ratio between the salaries of RT, Babu and Krisho is given as 2:4:7, right? And also they have given information about the salary difference between RT and Krisho, and which is equivalent to 20,000, right? Now let's find out the same salary difference between RT and Krisho in terms of the ratio parts. So RT is getting 2 parts of the salary and Krisho is getting 7 parts of salary. So what is the difference in salary between them in terms of ratio parts? It's 5 parts, right? So this is also the difference between their salaries. This is also the difference between the salaries, which means we can equate that the 5 parts of salary will be equivalent to 20,000, which means what is 1 part of their salary? That is divide by 5 on both sides. That is equivalent to 4,000. So what is going to be the monthly salary received by Babu? Babu is receiving 4 parts of salary. So let's try multiplying 4 on both sides. So 4 parts of salary is going to be 16,000. So the monthly salary of Babu is rupees 16,000. Right? Now let's find out the annual salary of Babu by multiplying the monthly salary with 12. So that is going to be 1,92,000. That's it.